for a website for your mechanic business. This is a this is a mock-up of a website I've designed. All right. It just happens to have that logo at the top there. This is my design. If you're looking for any type of website for your mechanic business, this would be the one. All right. As you can see, we have all of our links here. We have the home page, we have the services, we have the about page, we got testimonials, and we also have contacts. All right. Um, the call now button for to call and contact the service. Also, you can schedule the service. All right, by sending an email to us. All right. There's your footer page. Here's your newsletter information as well, if that would be incorporated. And that would be anyone that needs a mechanic website. All right. All right. The Geektrepreneur signing off. Don't forget to reach back at me at the email provided below. Thank you.